Exciting news! Today's video is absolutely free. It's part of our comprehensive AI for Business course.
You heard it, the full course is available at aimarketingengineers.com. It includes over 35 lessons on AI for business.
Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to learn more about the full course.
Click that link and take your first step in mastering AI for business. It's time to accelerate your business with AI.
To this extraordinary video where we'll unveil the boundless benefits of integrating AI into your business operations. Imagine a world where your business thrives with unmatched efficiency while you kick back and savor pina coladas on a tropical beach.
Ooh, I like it. One of the pivotal advantages of using artificial intelligence for your business is remarkable reduction in workload. By automating repetitive tasks, you can liberate precious time and resources, empowering you to focus on strategic and creative initiatives. This not only supercharges your productivity, but also propels your business to new heights.
And let's talk about productivity. AI changes the way businesses operate. With AI-powered tools and systems, businesses can streamline processes, optimize workflows, and achieve unparalleled levels of efficiency. This translates into significant time, cost savings, and granting your business an invincible competitive edge in the market.
Another important aspect is the elimination of human errors. AI systems are constantly learning and evolving to be highly accurate, minimizing the risk of costly mistakes. Imagine AI handling complex calculation, data analysis, and decision making, providing your business with machine-level precision and reliability in its operation. Well, the future is here.
But that's not all. AI plays a pivotal role in turbocharging your sales. By harnessing AI tools to create content, your business gains a competitive advantage to provide better customer experience and utilize recent trends. This empowers you to unleash targeted marketing campaigns, offer personalized recommendations, and deliver unforgettable customer experiences, ultimately leading to high conversion rates and revenue growth.
And here is a cherry on top. AI can greatly accelerate your business needs. AI chatbot provides lightning-fast data processing and accelerate your marketing and sales. This agility and speed provide your business with a truly unfair advantage, enabling you to stay ahead of competition.
In conclusion, AI offers boundless potential for your business across various industries. From workload reduction, skyrocketing productivity, error elimination, sales generation, informed decision making, and expedited business processes, the benefits are simply inspiring. By embracing the infinite possibilities of AI technologies, your business can unlock new horizons, drive innovation, and embark on an extraordinary journey towards long-term success in today's dynamic and rapidly evolving business landscape.
So get ready to revolutionize your business with extraordinary power of artificial intelligence. Say goodbye to boring tasks and embrace a future where artificial intelligence transforms your business into unstoppable force.
Get ready to become an AI entrepreneur and sip pina coladas as AI is working for your business success, making you reach unparalleled heights. Stay tuned for more insights and join us in this exciting voyage towards a future with AI.